see more and more that rabbis are speaking about Hanoch that turned into what I assume is the top hierarchy angel. So now there is a source about the end of days, Sefer Babel, when it's clarified that angel Mike is also this angel. So are there two angels in this level? In a similar way, there is Yaakov and Yosef.
So the Hanoch and somebody else are the same angels? I have no idea. I mean, I don't think he became. I think this angel that started with M, right? Yeah, correct. So yeah, I mean, yeah, he's on top level. Is something on his level? I don't know. Maybe. I don't know.
Because I see that Yaakov and Yosef are like maybe in heaven, the heavenly realm. Also, there are two of these angels, but I'm still searching this and not found the answer yet.
Yeah, Yaakov and Yosef, the angels. I don't know. I think they're just souls in Gan Eden. I never heard them being angels. Why would be? We have enough angels. Hashem creates angels every day, myriads and myriads, it says tens of thousands, just to say Kadosh, 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 and then he destroys them. So why do you need Yaakov? Right.